Hi everyone, today we're going to review Land That I Love, an Indigo Junction book with embroidery designs to personalize your state with icons, pennants, and different towns, points of interest. This book allows you to customize and personalize for your favorite destination for vacation or your home state. I'm going to start out by telling you a little bit about the book. What you'll find in the book is not only, of course, all 50 states, and in the beginning of the book, we actually have a stitch guide. So you'll find this stitch guide to help you through your stitches. Keep in mind, we also have a video series called Crossroads Embroidery if you're trying to learn stitches. It's a wonderful resource. Moving on into the book, the pages explain here how you can take the actual line art that's in the book and then design your own state embroidery. So whether you are from Kansas, as I am, and you love basketball and KU basketball, you can add those icons as we did here in this pillow. So here you go. You can see where we've added the sunflower for the state flower. We've added the Kansas City with a little heart. You'll see KU pennant and also K-State because my son Jack goes to K-State. I'm a Jayhawk though. So Western Meadowlark. And again, super easy embroidery, easy to learn and easy to make. We also encourage you to design towels. That's such a simple project, and these make a great gift for people. Here you can see where we took the sunflower, and we have several fonts in the book to choose from. So this is the Kansas with the sunflower, but we also have like another font for the state, which is Texas, which you see here, which we filled in with a satin stitch. And Texas is the bluebonnet, is their state flower. And then we have a third option for you when it comes to your state. You can just outline and do the outline, which we did here on Nevada. Jan made this for us, and she added the mountain bluebird to the Nevada towel. And you can see here, you can either use colored towels, striped towels, or just your traditional flour sack kitchen towel. I also wanted to share with you another shape option that we have for the projects. Here we used Michigan, which is my favorite state to visit, and I have a little heart in the middle there on Torch Lake in northern Michigan. But we did a double outline where we used two different shades of blue, which adds a little dimension and fun to the design. Here you can see we just used red thread, which would be called red work, and we did Ohio. So if you want to simplify your life, you can always just use one color of thread. Here we have an Ohio State, the Buckeye State in Columbus. A few more towels to share with you. Well, of course, we had to do New York. And Texas, you can see, we also used maybe the colors of the state when you outline the embroidery. And then here is California. Love California on this green towel. And here we use three different shades of thread from a teal blue to a turquoise, just fun combination. One more to show you. It is Utah. I wanted to show you what a dark background would look like also. So here you can see where we reversed out the flower color and some of the other different images on the pillow, whether it be the gull here or the cute little beehive, and then we have Salt Lake City and the Great Salt Lake outlined right there. So again, I think this book just offers awesome creativity. We do have this Vintage Made Modern series, and we talk about how I take vintage content, create modern projects, and I want to show you the inspiration for this book. This is a old coloring book from the 1950s. It gave me some ideas as I created this Land That I Love title for Indigo Junction. So if anybody recognizes this, this is the United States map coloring book. So it was a fun resource. And I also found this cute little, another coloring book, or it was actually probably a school, well, let's look at it. I think it might be a grammar book. Somebody colored all over it, by the way. But I was able to, phonics. So we took the phonics book, and that's part of what became, somebody didn't do too well coloring there. But anyway, you can see where there's just wonderful line art out there that's available to use in some of the vintage content that you'll find. One of my favorite things to look for when I head to flea markets and antique sales. And there's the little cowboy boot that I think we actually used in Texas. So there you go, a little vintage inspiration and a little modern inspiration. Thanks for watching, and be sure to sign up for our newsletters at indigojunction.com and amybarickman.com. Thanks for watching.